olive tree.
Where are you going, Carol? Some of the prettiest flowers in the neighborhood are under the olive tree. You'll see.
Your grandmother's going to be really happy, Misha. You'll give her a birthday bouquet with the prettiest flowers in the neighborhood.
But can we pick them? Sure, they're wild.
If they're so pretty, maybe they've already been picked.
I don't think so. They're hidden under the bushes. Oh, what's all this fencing? I don't know. I've never seen it before.
You have to turn back. You can't go in there.
Why?
Construction work is about to get underway. A street is gonna go through here.
Street? Here? What about the olive tree?
Well, we have to cut it down. I just follow the mayor's orders. If you have any complaints, talk to him.
Every year I'm given a bouquet of flowers for my birthday, but I've never received one as original as this one. Thank you, Misha.
Well, I couldn't pick the flowers I wanted to because they want to cut down the tree behind the town garden.
Why?
They want to put a street through there.
Through there?
What a shame. It's a beautiful olive tree.
And very old. When I was little, I loved to climb it. I could spend the whole day up there in its branches. But you're saying they're gonna cut it down?
No, they won't cut it down because we won't let them. The Save the Olive Tree campaign starts now. Perfect. Now we have to do this whole pile. Goody!
Attention everyone! We've learned that there are plans to cut down the olive tree in the town garden to build a road through that space. We need as many signatures as we can to ask the mayor to stop that plan.
Come inside to save the olive tree.
Ooh.
We've got tons of signatures. It's a record.
It's time to visit the mayor.
Mr. Mayor will be with you shortly. You can wait for him here.
If he takes any longer, I'll just read one of these books. I hope they have pictures in them.
Larry, I don't think we should touch anything. Hello, mayor's office here. What? Do what? No. Yes. Bye. What's going on? Who was that? The gardener. He wanted to know whether to chop or not. Since you were distracting me, I think I told him yes.
You told him to cut down the olive tree?
I told him to cut something, but I don't know exactly what. Hurry, we have to go find him. Have you seen the gardener?
No.
Have you seen the gardener?
Have you seen the gardener?
Oh, you mean the gardener who takes care of the town garden and sometimes carries around the big handsaw that he uses to cut down trees and other large things?
Yeah.
Well, yes, I saw him over there.
Stop! Stop!
What's going on?
He wants to cut down the olive tree. Well, we're not sure he wants to cut that down. But if he does, it will be a catastrophe.
Then let's not waste any time.
Hurry, let's go to the town garden. Stop! Stop! Oh, no! Too late! He's
started cutting.
Yes, just what he needed to do.
Mr. Mayor, this has to be stopped. Carol told him to cut down the olive tree, but it was a mistake.
Don't worry. He's not cutting down the olive tree. He's cutting the bushes. Look, I saw that you were collecting signatures to save the tree, and you were right. There will not be a street going through here. And I told the gardener to trim the shrubs around it so it would stand out and be seen.
Hooray!
Oh, why you all looking at me?
Did you do what I asked you to do?
These are the flowers that were at the foot of the olive tree. And who are they for?
For Misha's grandmother. It goes without saying. Today is her birthday.
Oh, thank you very much. They're beautiful.
Congratulations. You all have saved the tree. Every child, parent, and grandparent in this town has climbed that tree at some point or another.
Well, you know, some grandparents can still do that. The problem is I can't get down now. Can someone give me a hand?